red?
That's where the water line was.
Oh.
It's like a volcanic where the volcano went into the water, the lava. Hey Joe.
Hello.
It's beautiful up here, isn't it?
Hi.
Beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Hey baby.
Hey, baby.
I love it when you do that. This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Good. Fucking thoughts and practices. What about here, you guys?
Sure,
Wanna go up in there?
sure.
We gotta get out again.
Strong quarry overlook.
We might not get out this time, we'll just look.
quarry, ain't red.
Yeah, it's sandstone.
But actually, it's
Beautiful though.
snowing.
Isn't it beautiful, Joe?
Look at the
Beautiful.
snow, man. The snow's really coming down now.
I know, I want to get video of this. I can just get video from the car though.